In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable application notifications on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to go down and select where it says Notifications and just go ahead and select that. And then on the right side, if you go down underneath application notifications, any applications you want to enable or disable notifications for, just go ahead and select them. And then you can either turn it on or off, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.